This high-tech start ensures the purity of the ingredients destined for the milkshake factory to be infused with flavor. The milk is pumped into the truck. The driver checks the temperature gauge. The cold chain is critical for the factory to
The milk flows into a centrifugal separator. The machine spins rapidly to separate the cream from the skim milk. A worker monitors the RPM.
A worker pours large bags of sugar and stabilizers, like guar gum, into the hopper.
The mixture is pumped through a homogenizer at high pressure. A technician checks the pressure gauge. This ensures the milkshake won't separate.
In the fruit prep zone, we only use real strawberries. Look at that texture.
The empty bottles travel upside down. Jets of peroxide and sterile air blast the interior.
Farinerus. The hot liquid is rapidly cooled to 4 degrees Celsius. Condensation forms on the pipes. The milkshake is now safe.
Appears work in a bowl and applied machine.
The bottles pass under an induction coil. The foil liner inside the cap heats up and fuses to the bottle rim.
The finished bottles pass through an X-ray machine. It checks for metal or glass contaminants. A factory
Between flavor changes, the factory initiates a clean-in-place cycle. Hot water and caustic soda flush the pipes.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, just the milkshake today. Thank you.
Ma?
Made with real milk. It lists the protein and calcium. The factory ensures the milkshake is nutritious as well as a treat in every flavor.
We use green energy to power our milkshake machines. Making the flavor eco-friendly is a priority.